Miatuka na marima maya maria maragire daraca-ini ino iria iri hakuhi na itura ria Mirera barabara-ini ya Mai Mahiu guthii Naivasha niyo itumite gicunji gia barabara ino ihingo kwa ihinda.
Temporary measures we have taken is to temporarily close the road as we wait for the engineers to come.
Ruhonge rwa waki wa barabara rwa Kenha ruriti ahuthiri a barabara iyo makorwo na kihariro makiuga miatuka iyo iracungiriirio ni githingithia kiria kirahanikire muthenya wa Kiumia. No kuringana na atongoria na ataramu aria mekinyitie daraca-ini iyo maya mothe ni mahitia maria makire daraca iyo.
Hii ni poor workmanship. Chuma cha kujenga choo. Meshi waya kinawekewa kwa barabara.
Mubunge wa Naivasha Jane Kihara augite kihonia gia thina uyu ni gwakwo weru gwa barabara ino.
And this is not just a matter of repair, it is actually redoing the whole bridge. This is a very busy road. You know all the trucks. The trucks come through this Mai Mahiu road.
Kurerikana daraca iyo ni yambiriirie kuonania dariri cia miatuka mbere ya githingithia giki kuhanika na makoria ataramu mathondeke barabara ino wega niguo kurigiriria mitino.
This temporary road that they have diverted needs to be done so that they redo this and also inspect all the other bridges, because if they are built like this with this material, we are in for bigger problems.
Matereba aria maragerera barabara-ini ino maracungirirwo kugerera mukira-ini wa barabara nginyagia riria daraca ino igathondekwo wega. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.